This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Battery renewal. Pull the bonnet release lever located in the driver's footwell. Release the bonnet secondary catch and raise the bonnet. Unclip the bonnet prop and engage the prop to hold the bonnet open. The battery is located at the front left-hand side of the engine compartment when viewed from the driver's seat. Remove the ignition key from the vehicle before replacing the battery. Disconnect the lead at the negative terminal by slackening the retaining nut and removing the terminal clamp, then place a piece of hose over the negative terminal. Now disconnect the lead at the battery positive terminal by lifting up the terminal cover, then slackening the retaining nut and removing the terminal clamp. Undo the bolt securing the battery retaining bracket to the front of the battery tray, then disengage the retaining bracket from the battery stay and remove it. Then carefully lift the battery from its location and remove it from the vehicle. Make sure the battery is kept upright at all times. Position the new battery in the vehicle, refit the retaining bracket and tighten it to secure the battery in place. Reconnect the battery positive terminal clamp first and tighten the retaining nut. Then remove the piece of hose from the negative terminal, reconnect the negative terminal clamp and secure the retaining nut. Apply petroleum jelly to the terminals. Remove the bonnet prop from the bonnet and secure the prop in its stay. Close the bonnet.